Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to your GK class, and this is your revision class because we have already completed the portion and we will do some work. See here. This is the picture of Agra Fort. Wait, I am changing the color. 1 second. This is the picture of Agra Fort, and where it is built? It is built in Agra. And in which state is Agra? Agra is in the Uttar Pradesh, and it was built in the time of Mughal Empire, my dear. When Mughal was ruling over India, that time it was built, and many Mughal emperors lived here. Babur, Humayun, Jahangir, Akbar, Aurangzeb, these Mughal emperors lived here, and this fort is also known as Qila-e-Akbari. I am showing you few sentences about it. Agra Fort is a historical fort in the city of Agra in India. It is an historical fort in the city of Agra in India. It was the main residence of the Mughal emperors, of Mughal dynasty till 1638, when the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi. Now this Agra Fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is 2.5 kilometers northwest of its more famous sister monument, and that is Taj Mahal. And both of these buildings were built by Shah Jahan. Now see, which building is this? This is Golden Temple. And where is Golden Temple? Golden Temple is in Amritsar, Punjab, and this is also known as Harmandir Sahib. Few sentences I am showing you. Sri Harmandir Sahib means Golden Temple is also known by this name. The Golden Temple is located in the holy city of Sikhs, and that is Amritsar. Amritsar is the holy city of Sikh because here Golden Temple is located. The Golden Temple is famous for its full golden dome. It is one of the most sacred pilgrim spots for Sikhs. The mandir is built on a 67-foot square of marble and is a 2-storied structure. Okay, and it is usually called the Golden Temple in English because it is plated with golden. Already see in the picture, you can see it is plated with golden color here, see. That's why it is called Golden Temple. Now see, this is India Gate. And where India Gate is located? India Gate is located in New Delhi. And another name of India Gate is Indian Army's Tomb. Indian Army's Tomb. Now see, few sentences are here. India Gate is a memorial which was built to remember the soldier. What is memorial? These are the buildings which we remember, which we keep to remember someone. Okay? The soldiers who died in the World War I, 1914 to 1918. It is located on Rajpath in New Delhi and was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens. It is famous because it is the largest war memorial in India. It is one of the most visited places in India because of many reasons. Now see, what is this? And this is Hawa Mahal. I am changing the color, 1 second. This is Hawa Mahal. and this is also called the Palace of Breeze. Why this is called the Palace of Breeze? Because there are many windows, 953 windows, and crossing doors and windows, which allow the wind to blow from one side to other side, and this doors and windows only makes it a perfect summer palace. Here see some information about it. Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds or the Palace of Breeze. It is in Jaipur and India, approximately 300 kilometers from the capital of Delhi. It is built of red and pink sandstone. The palace sits on the edge of the city palace, Jaipur. There are two city palaces, okay, one in Jaipur and one in Udaipur. Now this is the Red Fort. And where is Red Fort built? Red Fort is built in New Delhi. And here you will see, my dear, our Prime Minister addresses from the Red Fort on Independence Day, and our President addresses from here on Republic Day. See here, Delhi's famous Red Fort is known by the name because it is built up of red sandstone. That's why it is called Red Fort. And fort, already I have explained, it is a very secured place for safety purpose. It is one of the most magnificent palaces in the world. The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, after ruling from Agra for 11 years, decided to shift to Delhi and laid the foundation stone of the Red Fort. Now here are the some monuments, and you have to write the another name of these. And right now also I have explained about all the monuments, and then another name. What is the another name of Red Fort? And the another name, first see, Agra Fort. And what is the another name of Agra Fort? The another name of Agra Fort is Agra Fort is also known as Qila-e-Akbari. Akbari. And Golden Temple, Harmandir. What is the another name of Golden Temple? Golden Temple is also known as Harmandir Shahi. Harmandir Sahib. And India Gate? India Gate is known as Indian Army's tomb. Hawa Mahal, Palace of Breeze. And Red Fort, Qila-e-Mubarak. Agra Fort, Qila-e-Akbari, and Red Fort, Qila-e-Mubarak. Now, see, second question is answer these questions. Okay? And who was the first Indian woman president of the UN General Assembly? First Indian woman president was Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. So you will write Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit was the first Indian woman president of the UN General Assembly. Second question is, see the picture of Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. See here, who was the first Indian woman chief minister? And Sucheta, who in the place of who we will write Sucheta Kriplani, was the first Indian woman chief minister of India. Okay? Next question, see, this is the picture of Sucheta Kriplani. Which monument is dedicated in the memory of Queen Victoria? And which monument is dedicated, my dear? The Victoria Memorial is dedicated in the memory of Queen Victoria. See the palace, Queen Victoria, who was the founder of Indian National Army, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the founder of Indian National Army. In the place of who, what you will write? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji was the nickname given to Subhash Chandra Bose. This is the picture of Subhash Chandra Bose. And this is your CW, who has been appointed as the new election commissioner. And this was Rajiv Kumar. See the picture of Rajiv Kumar. Now, who won the golden medal at World Wrestling Championship 2021? And the answer is Priya Malik. I am showing you the picture of Priya Malik. See. Next is, which country is hosting the Summer Olympics 2021? And this is Japan. And in the city, Tokyo. This is the logo of Olympic. And these are few sentences that Summer Olympic Games are also known as Games of Olympiad, are a major international multi-sports event normally held once every 4 years. The Games was first held in 1896 in Athens, Greece. Which Indian girl bought silver medal in weightlifting Tokyo Olympic? And the answer is Mirabai Chanu. My dear, this was the first medal this time for India. That's why, and this is the picture of Mirabai Chanu. Now, which is the earliest Islamic monument? And Qutub Minar is the earliest Islamic monument. This is the picture of Qutub Minar. Thank you, dear. Hope you all will watch this video and take the benefit.